Hi everyone, so my name is Nohana Safia binti Afata, and today me and my friends are going to talk about the Solarwinds. So what is the Solarwinds? Solarwinds is one of the world leading IT management software developers. One of the company main product is such a network performance monitor. Solarwinds Network Performance Monitor is such a powerful and affordable network monitoring software that enables you to quickly detect, diagnose, and resolve network performance problems. This system is focused on monitoring the performance on well-connected devices. Network device such as switch, router, and device such as terminal, mobile phone, and then office hardware such as printer and so on. So next we are going to talk about a few features that have in network performance monitoring. So first is SNP monitoring. To check the SNP on your network, you can use the SNP features on NPM. So this give a benefit in the large dynamic network where the hardware is mostly provided by many providers and they have a unique protocol to them. So with the performance statistic that SNP give, the admin can use the statistic to troubleshoot and optimize the network device problem, and with the statistic you can check what is the problem. So next I'm going to pass to my friends.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nurul Fatni Nazwa binti Muhammad Zainuddin. My metric number is 211302220. I'm from Electronic Network Design, UR 65230009. Today I want to explain about network latency. Okay, in a network latency have three issues. Firstly is what causes network latency issues. The secondly is why is monitoring network latency important, and the last one is how to find and measure latency in a network. Okay, what causes network latency issues? We know that network latency issues occur when network packet fail to reach their destination or experience delay on the journey. Such issues can be caused by many different factors, but it helps to get a working definition of network latency before diving into network latency issues. Okay, common causes of latency include, firstly is propagation, or the time to take packet to travel from source to destination. Secondly, overutilized router or too few routers. And next, transmission types like WAN or fiber optic, and the last one is storage delays. Okay, secondly is why is important network latency. Secondly is why is monitoring network latency important. Monitoring network latency is important because latency can critically impact the performance of your network and the devices and application on it. When latency is low or otherwise acceptable, network performance tends to be sufficient unless impacted by some other issues. Next, however, when network latency is too high, devices, services, and applications can slow to a crawl or stop. In the worst case, unchecked network latency can result in packet loss. And lastly is packet loss refers to when or more packets fail to reach their destination because of network disruption, connectivity issues, or latency. How to find and measure latency in a network. Network latency can be measured in two ways. First is round trip time, RTT or time to first byte, known as TTFB. RTT measures the amount of time it takes for a data packet to make a successful journey from source to destination and back again. TTFB measures how long it takes for the server to receive the first byte of the data packet once a client sends a request. To manually measure latency on Windows, you can open a command prompt, type tracer, and then type the destination you think is moving slowly. However, using a tool to measure network latency can help provide a more automated and typically more accurate measurement. Okay. We can see the figure above that mean use network latency test monitoring tool to analyze network response time. The quality of experience is known as QoE dashboard in Solarwinds. Network performance monitor is known as NPM is built to measure network response time and run network latency tests to help identify area for improvement. Okay, the QoE dashboard also pull metadata directly from sensor in your physical and virtual server. So no more guessing how network latency affect an user. So the next figure is explain about easily identify the source of performance problem with a network latency test tool. Okay, network latency or network response time is a measure of the amount of time required for a packet to travel across a network path from a sender to a receiver. When network path latency occurs, performance can be affected. So, with the network latency test tool in SolarWinds NPM, user can more easily identify the source and nature of network performance problem or application reliability issues to better perform network optimization. So, NPM also includes customizable alert on latency issues, so you can be made aware of issues before user notice them. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ruth Aizam, and now I will present the features on the network device discovery. So in these features, I will explain three things, which is the what network discovery, why is this important, and how do I discover my network device with network performance monitoring. Okay, what is network device discovery? Network device discovery, also referred to as topology discovery, is the first step when mapping and monitoring network infrastructure. Network device discovery involves locating device connected to a network and collecting detailed information to generate a comprehensive network inventory. And then network device can include gateway, router, network bridge, modems, wireless access, network cable, line drivers, switches, hub, and repeaters. Why is network device discovery is important? Network device discovery can help provide network transparency. And then in addition, network device discovery can help inform your digital security, since device discovery can include locating and mapping allocate IP address, so it has the security. Then the network discovery can also help you to map the port on your network to ensure that unnecessary port open for intruders to potential exploit. And then network device discovery is also important for monitoring environment, including virtual network, cloud, server, and both wire and wireless network. How do I discover my network device with network performance monitor? Okay, to discover device on your network using NPM or network performance monitor, simply log into the SolarWinds platform web console and scan your network for device to monitor. From there, go through the discover checklist for detailed information about what to monitor on your network. Using the discovery wizard, you can find device on the network using the following, which is IP range, subnet, IP address, Active Directory. Okay, you can see the figure as like Solarwinds network performance monitor is designed to simplify this process, which can automatically discover a range of network devices and quickly add them to your monitoring database. Just use the dashboard to enable the critical nodes you want to monitor through IP address range, subnet, SNMP or WMI. Then select the network device you want to add to the inventory. Okay, next, in this network device discovery, we can scan a range of network device from a single dashboard. Basically, with finding specific network device and its challenge. Yeah, but the Orion platform discovery result in NPN is designed to make easier using the network panel to scan device IP address, subnet, IP range, so that user can also scan via Active Directory, so teams don't have to manually aggregate every IP address on certain section of the network. Okay, so this can allow you to scan entire subnet in a matter of a second. Using this Solarwinds, it has several advantages, which is first, is designed with large and enterprise network in mind, and then the second, support auto discovery that with network topology, maps and inventory lists in real time based on device that enter the network. Then the third, has some of the best relative features that balance effectiveness with ease of use. The disadvantage of using Solarwinds is this is a futurist enterprise tool. Small labs and operation may find it overwhelming. So that's all for me. Thank you. I hope you all can understand. Bye bye.